Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you how to hard reset SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro earbuds. So, if you're having problems with your earbuds here, there are going to be a few things so you could try here to reset it. So, first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open the charging case here, and you want to insert both your earbuds. Now, you want to leave your capsule or your case here open and ensure the earbuds indicator light blinks to confirm they are charging. So make sure they are charging here. Now, you want to locate the button at the bottom of the charging case. So usually it's going to be this one. It's going to be very kind of hard to find, but usually it's going to be that specific button here. So you want to press and hold the button for about 10 seconds until the indicator lights on the case blinks red and then white. So this blinking light indicates the reset is complete once you see the white light. Now, you want to go ahead and close the case, reopen it again, and remove the earbuds and pair them with your device as if they were brand new. And in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan App. Thank you for watching.